Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you how to use split screen when browsing the internet on a Samsung device. So I've got my Samsung device open up here. I'm going to go down here to the web browser, the Samsung web browser. Click on there, open up the internet. So this is an article about Forest. They lost to Tottenham. Forest is my side. Scroll down, view the article. Now, if there's a link and I want to view that link in split screen mode whilst I've still got this article opened up here, I'll hold down on my phone, hover over the link I want to open. It will open up this, scroll to the right side of the page, then go down to the bottom here like that and just let go of the screen, and it will open up the second link in split screen mode. So I can read this article on Nottingham Forest closing in on the signing of the defender Renan Lodi on loan. However, I've still got the original link opened up here as well, so I can use split screen on my Samsung device. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.